Hey guys, I hope you can hear me and whatnot, but if you were able to see that shot, you probably saw that I was going for the double shot. I was trying to hit both doves with the same pellet. I'll watch the video game, but I'm actually pretty sure that I caught the one, not the one that was closest to me, but the one behind him, which is kind of weird, but the other one flew away. Don't know if I clipped him or not, but yeah. This one actually died like really quick, no second shot or anything. Just, yeah. Don't know where I hit him though. If you give me a second. Okay guys, this is actually really weird because I see nothing. Oh. Right there, I guess, maybe. Yeah, I guess so. That's weird. Maybe I hit his spine. Alright. Stay tuned for more videos, and thanks for watching.